Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you are passionate about fashion and love elegant footwear, today's video is just for you. Today we are exploring one of the most fashionable and timeless shoe styles, strappy heels. Strappy heels are the perfect combination of beauty, elegance and versatility. Whether you are attending a wedding, a party, a formal dinner or simply want to upgrade your everyday style, strappy heels can instantly transform your look. In today's video we will cover what steppy heels are, their history, why they are so popular, different types of steppy heels, material used, trending colors and design for 2026, how to style them for different occasions, comfort tips, buying guide, shoe care tips, common mistake to avoid, frequently asked questions. So make sure you watch until the end because you will learn everything you need to know before buying your next pair of strappy heels. What are strappy heels? Strappy heels are high-heeled sandals designed with one or more straps that wrap across the toes, foot, ankle, or even the lower leg. The straps provide both sport and a stylish appearance. Unlike closed shoes, strappy heels create a light, elegant, and feminine look that works beautifully in every season, especially during spring and summer. A brief history of strappy heels. The idea of sandals with straps dates back thousands of years. Ancient civilizations such as the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans wore strapped footwear for comfort and practicality. As fashion evolved, designers combined these classic sandals with high heels. During the 20th century, strappy heels became a symbol of glamour and sophistication. Today, they are worn by celebrities, fashion influencers, and women around the world for both casual and formal occasions. Why are strappy heels so popular? There are many reasons why strappy heels continue to be one of the most loved footwear styles. They make legs appear longer, add elegance to every outfit, a suit almost every age, match both traditional and western clothing, come in endless colors and heel heights, never go out of fashion. Types of strappy heels. Ankle strap heels. An ankle strap provides extra support while creating a graceful solitude. Best for weddings, office wear, evening dinners. Two strap heels. These feature one strap over the toes and another around the ankle. Perfect for daily fashion, semi-formal events, casual outings. Multi-strap heels. Several delicate straps across the over the foot, giving a luxurious and fashionable appearance. Best for parties, fashion events, evening wear. Lace-up strap heels. Long straps wrap around the ankle or calf. Ideal for summer vacations, beach parties, fashion photo shoots. Block heels, strappy heels. These combine thick heels with elegant strap for added comfort, great for office wear, shopping, and long events. Stiletto strappy heels. Thin heels and delicate straps create a glamorous high fashion look. Perfect for red carpet events, formal parties, luxury fashion. Kitten heels, strappy heels. A comfortable low heel with elegant strap, ideal for women who prefer style without sacrificing comfort. Popular materials. Strappy heels are available in many materials, including genuine leather, fox leather, satin, velvet, PVC transparent straps, metallic finishes, glitter fabrics. Each material creates a unique look suitable for different occasions. Trending strappy heel design for 2026. Fashion trend this year include metallic gold, silver mirror finish, nude minimalist sandals, crystal straps, pearl embellishments, transparent heels, square toy designs, bright pastel shades, floral decorations, bow accents. These designs are seen on runways and social media around the world. How to style strappy heels for weddings. Choose crystal or metallic with long gowns or traditional dresses. For office wear, neutral colored block heel strappy sandal pair beautifully with trousers, blazers, and pencil skirts. For casual wear, wear beige or white strappy heels with jeans and simply a blouse. For parties, black or gold stiletto strappy heels create a bold, elegant look. For summer, pair colorful lace-up heels with floral dresses or skirts. Choosing the right heel height. Heel height affects both style and comfort. 2 and 3 inches great for daily wear. 3 and 4 inches perfect balance of elegance and comfort. 4 to 5 inches ideal for special occasion. Above 5 inches best for experienced heel wearers and shorter hair. Advantages of strappy heels: elegant appearance, versatile styling, wide variety of designs, suitable for many occasions, enhance confidence, complements almost every outfit. Disadvantage: very thin straps may become uncomfortable after many hours. Some height still to require practice to walk in. Some delicate design need extra care. Buying guide: before purchasing, measure your feet correctly. Choose a comfortable heel height. Check the quality of the straps. Walk a few steps before buying. Look for cushion insoles. Select colors that match your wardrobe. Caring for strappy heels. Store them in a shoebox. Clean after every use. Keep satin heels away from water. Polish leather regularly. Common mistakes to avoid: buying the wrong size, choosing extremely high heels for long events, wearing loose straps, ignoring comfort for experience. Why are strappy heels comfortable? Yes, especially if they fit well and have cushioned soles. Can beginner wear strappy heels? Absolutely, start with block heels. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this complete guide on strappy heels, please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest video on stiletto heels, block heels, platform heels, kitten heels, wedge heels, peep toe heels, ankle strap heels, and newest footwear. Tell us Tell us in the comment which type of strappy heels is your favorite and